Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install mod settings for Subnautica 2. If you're planning to install mods in Subnautica 2 and want an easier way to toggle them on and off without reloading your save, then this is one of the best mods you can install. First, you'll need to install both the mod loader and the mod manager for this to work properly. We already have videos on the channel covering how to install the mod loader and mod manager, so please make sure to check those out first. Now head over to the Nexus mods page for Subnautica 2 and look for this mod called Mod Settings for Subnautica 2. I've pinned the link in the comment section below, so please make sure to check it out. Next, head over to the Files tab, then select Manual Download. The fast download option is for premium users, so we'll select Slow Download instead. Wait for the countdown, save the file somewhere easy to access, then wait for the download to finish. Now open Steam, right-click Subnautica 2, hover over Manage, then select Browse Local Files. This folder should appear. Now drag all of the contents from the zip file into this folder. By itself, this mod doesn't add anything immediately visible in the game. However, once you launch the game with compatible mods installed, a Mods tab will appear in the Settings menu where supported mods can register their own settings and options. And that's how to install mod settings for Subnautica 2. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.